Good morning children. Today we are going to do worksheet 9. Complete the poem. Complete the poem we are going to do. What is the poem? Let's see. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Now dear children, this is a poem about the balloon man. So, and some are big, right? And then all these lines which is given, you have to write over here the poem orally, like anything, till here. So once again we will say, and some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Underline the common gender nouns. We have to underline the common gender nouns which are common. So here people clap for the bandmaster. So bandmaster is what? Common. Common means what? Male or female, masculine and feminine. If a person is playing music, you will call that band only, right? So it is a common noun, common gender. The musician played for the audience. So the musician over here you can see played for the audience. So musician is also a common gender noun. Now we'll go to the next page. State whether the following nouns are masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Here clock, bride, emperor, police officer names are given. Here we have to check it out, what are they? So clock is a neuter, it's a non-living thing. Bride is called feminine gender, emperor is masculine gender, police officer is common gender. Male or female, you call that person police officer only. Okay. Now correct the gender mistakes in all the sentences. We have to see what is the mistake. Number 1, the girl is in the garden. He is trying a swing to a tree. Now over here the girl is written, but over here what it is given? He. For the girl, what do we use? She. So what is the correct answer? The girl is in the garden. She is trying a swing on a tree. Next, my father teaches me science. She is a very good teacher. Answer, my father teaches me science. He is a very good teacher. Now over here you can see father we have used in the sentence, and over here she is given. So this is wrong. What is the correct pronoun over here? We'll use he, correct gender. He. So father, he, girl, she. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Complete the following sentences by using words from the box. Cure, gang, orchard, colony, bouquet. So we have to give the collective. Complete the following sentences. See, a dash of ants started eating our picnic food. So what will you call that group of ants? It is called colony. What it is called? Colony. The police caught a dash of thieves last night. So what will you call that group of thieves? Gang. I bought a dash of flowers for my sister. So what it is? Bouquet. Or flowers it is plural, so it is flowers, so it is called bouquet. Okay, we'll go to the next exercise. So again we will read. A colony of ants started eating our picnic food. The police caught a gang of thieves last night. I bought a bouquet of flowers for my sister. Use of to change the following word with apostrophe s. Now the flowers beauty. So what we will write over here? Answer, the beauty of the flowers. The beauty of the flowers. The light's brightness. The brightness of the light. Now use apostrophe s to change the following. The windows of the room. So what we will write? the room's window, the color of the earth's color. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Answer the following questions. What are the two things that birds can't do? Remember the poem Bird Talk? So here it is asked what birds can't do. So birds can't read and write, birds can't cook. Second, what did the fairies do? Answer 2, the fairies danced and sang a sweet song. The magic garden, remember? So what did the fairies do? They danced and sang sweet songs. What did the butterfly do to escape from the spider's web? What is this chapter name? The Yellow Butterfly. Answer, the butterfly fluttered its wings, twisted and turned to escape from the spider's web. How high can balloon fly? The balloon can fly very high up in the sky. So, question 1. What are the two things that birds can't do? Answer 1. Birds can't read and write. Birds can't cook. Question 2. What did the fairies do? Answer 2. The fairies danced and sang sweet song. Question 3. What did the butterfly do to escape from the spider's web? The butterfly fluttered its wings, twisted and turned to escape from the spider's web. 4. How high can balloon fly? The balloon can fly very high up in the sky. Question 5. What does the balloon man never think of? Answer 5. The balloon man never thinks of lunch. This is a balloon man poem, remember? Yes. What did the little fish believe? Answer, the little fish believed that he would be happier if it would be larger. This is the story of little fish story, right? So, we'll read once again. What does the balloon man never think of? The balloon man never thinks of lunch. What did the little fish believe? The little fish believed that he would be happier if it would be larger. So, dear children, complete this work in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.